In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Smartsheet with everyone in your organization. Sharing Smartsheet efficiently with an entire group can save you time and ensure that your team stays aligned on all projects. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by sharing at the workspace level, which is not only streamlined, but also scalable. Imagine you have a workspace in Smartsheet filled with various sheets, reports, and dashboards, all critical to your organization's functioning. Instead of sharing each item individually, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors, you can share the entire workspace with everyone. This approach ensures that all items within the workspace become accessible to your intended group, making it a more efficient process. Before we get started, double-check that you have the necessary permissions to share the workspace. You'll need to be a workspace admin to add or manage sharing settings. Once you've confirmed your permissions, let's move forward. First, let's use the power of groups. If you have a group set up that includes everyone within your organization, you'll find this process particularly seamless. You won't have to add each person individually, which is especially helpful for larger teams. To add this group, navigate to the workspace you wish to share. In the top right corner, you'll notice the Share button. Click on it to open the sharing settings where you can add collaborators. Inside the sharing settings, you'll see an option to enter the email addresses or groups that you want to share with. Type in the group name that contains all your organizational members. As you select the group, you'll need to assign the appropriate permissions. For instance, viewer permissions allow individuals to view all the content in the workspace without making changes. If higher-level permissions are necessary, such as editor or admin, you can assign those according to your group's needs. Once you've determined the correct permission level, confirm the sharing settings. It's important to communicate with your team ahead of sharing to ensure everyone knows what access they will have and what their responsibilities are. Setting expectations can help prevent any confusion or accidental changes to important documents. Sharing in this way is quite beneficial because it helps maintain a single source of truth. As updates are made to any sheet, report, or dashboard in the workspace, everyone in the group will see these changes in real time. This transparency enhances collaboration and helps different departments stay in sync with ongoing projects. As a final tip, periodically review the access settings and permissions to ensure they continue to meet your organization's needs. As team members come and go, or as project scopes change, adjusting these settings keeps your workspace secure and relevant. By scaling this sharing process with a group, you enhance efficiency and coordination across your organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for streamlining your sharing process in Smartsheet.